We'll guide you through how to upload files to Dropbox using the desktop website. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Dropbox website. Log in with your account credentials if you're not already signed in. Once you're on your Dropbox homepage, look for the blue Upload button on the top right of the screen. Click on it, and you'll see two options: Files and Folder. Choose Files if you want to upload individual files, or Folder if you're looking to upload an entire folder. After selecting your preferred option, a File Explorer window will open. Navigate through your computer to find the file or folder you want to upload. Select it, and click Open or Upload, depending on your operating system. You'll see a progress bar indicating the upload status, and once it completes, your file or folder will appear in your Dropbox account. If you're uploading a large file or folder, make sure your internet connection is stable to avoid interruptions. You can create new folders in Dropbox to keep your files organized. Simply click on the NEW folder button, name your folder, and drag and drop your files into it. If you want to share your uploaded files, hover over the file name, click on the Share button, and enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with. They will receive an email with a link to access the file. Remember that sharing settings can be adjusted to allow others to edit or view only. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.